Good morning, everyone. Today we're talking about the Benchmark Universe Unit 9, Week 1, Lesson 5, multiple meaning words. In this sentence, we have the word change. Do you have any change? And in this particular sentence, the word change is referring to the word to coins. If somebody has change of money, you can ask someone if they have change of a $20 bill. Perhaps you're looking for smaller denominations of money. So in this particular instance, the word change is being referred to as coin. Do you have any change? Do you have any coins? Do you have any smaller bills or smaller money? So in today's lesson, we are going to be talking about multiple meaning words. I have opened up for you the worksheet that you will be working on either on paper or in your Benchmark Universe account, and you can annotate this account. And they've given you three words to take a look at today: found, mouth, and post. And they've given you the paragraph in the article, The Founding of Chicago, on pages 4 and 5. That is the article that we are working with regards to these words. So if you take a look at paragraph 3, you have the word found, and the sentence that they give you. I know I don't have the article pulled up for you, but we can do that right now. I'm just going to expand this a little bit so that we can see it. And in paragraph 3, Jolet thought the area lush and a good place to found a settlement. So in this particular sentence, the word found is referring to not that you lost something and now it is found, but where something is going to begin. So what you're going to do is you're going to put in the clue from the sentence, a good place to found a settlement, end quote. Sorry. And not a goof place, but a good place. I'm sorry about that. My fingers are moving faster than my mouth is. I'm just going to enhance the size a little bit on this so that we can see it. And then you are going to come up with a definition. So as I just said, the article is talking about how this would be a good place to set something up or to start something, or a beginning. Okay, another word that we could use interchangeably would be to establish, to set up, to start something, or a beginning. And then you're going to go ahead and create your own sentence. Then you're going to go ahead and do this for the word mouth and the word post. And if you have time, you can also use the words mission and earth. So I will add that to my document if additional time. Earth and mission. So if there are no other words that we are going to work with today, that will wrap up our lesson for today. And if you could please complete this in your Benchmark Universe account, and I'll be able to take a look at it. That's all for now.